Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming you have admin access and noting whether the icon is from an app or the system. Once done, quit the app and open its preferences. Many apps provide a Show in Menu Bar toggle you can uncheck. If that option exists, turn it off, then restart the app to confirm removal. If there's no toggle, make sure the app isn't protected by a login item. These first steps avoid unnecessary work and reveal which removal method you'll use next. If the icon is removable, press and hold Command and drag the icon off the menu bar until you see the poof removal, release to remove it. For icons controlled by preferences, uncheck the menu bar option and quit or relaunch the app. Next, open System Settings right arrow General right arrow Login items and remove any app set to launch at login, because persistent launchers reappear. If multiple or persistent icons remain, use a manager like Bartender to hide or reorder them. This simplifies complex setups without uninstalling anything. To finalize, quit the app, then restart the app or run Kill All System UI Server in Terminal to refresh the menu bar. If icons persist, uninstall the app cleanly or remove its launch agent using launchtool unload and delete the list from /library/launch agents. Make sure to remove associated login items as well. Troubleshooting tip: if an icon remains stuck, restart your Mac first. If it still hangs, boot into safe mode to remove the app or agent, then reboot normally to confirm the menu bar is clear.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.